Disaster refers to a sudden or the catastrophic event that causes the significant damage, destruction, loss of life, and also the disruption to the normal functioning of the community or the society. Now, when we talk about the nature of the disasters, it refers to the characteristics or the attributes that define their occurrences, which also defines their behavior and also defines their impact. Now, disasters are unpredictable. Now, disaster often occurs with very little or with no warning, making them unpredictable events. Now, this unpredictability causes some major challenges with regard to the preparedness as well as the response effort. Now, disasters are multifaceted as well as the complex events. Now, they involve the interaction between physical, social, economic, as well as the environmental systems. Now, disasters can result from the combination of various factors such as the natural hazards or with the human activities, the response capacity, and many more. So, it is a combination of multiple factors. Now, when we talk about the nature of the disaster, it is important to discuss the magnitude and the scale factor. Now, disasters can vary in terms of magnitude and scale. Now, while we talk about the magnitude, it refers to the intensity or the strength of the event, whereas when we talk about the scale, it refers to the geographical event or the geographical extent or the size of the disaster. Now, this can range from a variety of degree, that is from the local incident to the regional or to the global event. So, it has a variety of range. Now, the next we have is the cascading effect. Now, disasters can trigger the cascading effect, which means that one event can lead to the chain of events, to the additional hazards or the additional impact. Now, time sensitivity. Now, disasters often demand rapid and the time sensitive response. Now, the time sensitivity, it means the immediate aftermath of a disaster, which is also known as the golden hour, Golden hour is critical for saving lives and also for the protection of the property and minimizing the future damages. And the last we have is the interconnectedness. Now, disasters do not occur in an isolation. Now, they are interconnected. They are interconnected with various systems, which includes social, economic, as well as the environmental